Rod Martin's goals are insanely huge. Some might even say impossible.
Imagine a terraformed Mars with dozens of new cities and a globe that is becoming greener by the day. Imagine the thrill of commerce between two planets in our solar system.
Imagine an outfit that creates the technology to make that terraforming easy and generates the income required to pull off a project that huge.
Now, imagine a new type of university, K through PhD, that teaches its students how to solve problems the way Einstein solved relativity. Imagine that university's R&D labs producing one breakthrough after another.
And imagine the university's business incubator giving birth to new companies to take advantage of those breakthroughs, funneling royalties back into that university so it can replicate itself, giving birth to new campuses across the planet.
Buckminster Fuller once said, "You never change things by fighting the existing reality. To change something, build a new model that makes the existing model obsolete."
Rod Martin Jr. has been a college professor, a computer scientist and software engineer with a degree summa cum laude, a #1 best-selling author, a Hollywood artist with screen credit, and creator of 3D astronomy software Stars in the Neighborhood. But there is much more to this modern Renaissance man.
While studying electronic engineering in the 1970s, his creative mind saw a connection between the structure of individual atoms and the simple radio tank circuit for broadcasting and receiving signals. None of his fellow engineering students ever made that connection.
This is the type of creative genius that allowed Gordon Gould to look at traffic signals and to imagine the laser, ultimately winning for himself a multi-billion-dollar patent. This is the type of thinking outside the box that allowed Einstein to solve one of the thorniest problems in 19th century physics. And this is the type of mindset Martin wants to teach others.
Like a modern Indiana Jones, Rod Martin has also made breakthroughs in biblical scholarship, in the myth of Plato's Atlantis, and in the nature of miracles, using the tools of science not only to study spiritual phenomena, but to replicate miracles numerous times. This could very well be more important than cracking the atom or the invention of the integrated circuit, which made possible the personal computer and the internet.
Be a part of something truly big and world-changing. Subscribe to Rod Martin's creative output, books, videos, courses, software, and philosophical insights, each of which could change the world in ways we can only imagine.
How do we make something gigantic happen? It starts with a single step. With the cooperation of thousands or even millions, those steps could quickly add up to something insanely huge.